Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Heinlein and welcome to Bon Voyage. I am just one of the two creators of this global learning project, and we are so excited to make another math global learning project. I just wanted to take a few minutes to share with you what this GLP will require you and your participants to do. So this GLP asks students to find, plot, and graph a round trip using their own location as the start and the end point, and a selected variation of destinations as their stops. Now, the goal of this GLP is for the students to take their trip in small groups and determine the most effective route to take. Students will be able to actually complete two different extensions. So for grade levels 6 to 8, they will be asked to choose one of those 7 locations that they stopped at and share and collaborate with the other participants why they may want to visit that location in the future. The other extension is for grade levels 9 and up. In this, they will share and discuss their routes, considering additional factors such as the types of transportation and the efficiency of those types of transportations along their route. So this GLP really gives students the opportunity to collaborate with other participants about math. Okay, most students will also identify a desire to travel in some capacity in the future. So this project really gives students a small first step into understanding the practicality of global travel. In addition, almost all necessary materials in order to participate are provided to the participants. So all we ask for you to do is be involved and share. We are super excited and we hope you enjoy our GLP.